Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Deepseek AI verification code not receiving. So if you have heard a lot about the Deepseek and you want to create your account but you are not receiving any verification code which is mandatory to create account. So I'll show you the easiest way to fix this issue. First, you just have to simply search for Deepseek on your browser. Once you get to its website, you have to just simply go to its Start Now section. After that, it will take you to this login or sign up page. Now what you have to do is that you have to click on this option where you can create a new account. So if you're trying to create a new account and if you add all these options like your email address, your password, your verification code, it will not work. Right now there is an issue with system through which you cannot receive the code, but you can still make an account. In that case, what you have to do is that you have to simply go to that login section and then you have to click on login with Google. Once you click onto this option, it would not ask you for the verification code. It will create your account and then you can use it. So you just have to simply sign up with your Google account on your browser and then create your account with it and your account will be created. So that's how you can fix DeepSeek AI verification code not receiving. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.